Okay, the water heater has a safety pan. I do not know where it drains to. The water heater has a care and use manual. The indoor air handler does not have a care and use manual. Indoor air handler does not have a sediment trap, neither does the water heater. Neither one of these appliances have gas sediment traps. Okay, for the water heater, and then of course the screen, we've already talked about the screen. And the water heater, see that white pipe up there? I can't tell you that it's asbestos, but it's asbestos. And we do not have a thimble around there, a little metal escutcheon plate on the ceiling, and this is single wall flue, and those are no longer accepted either. And then we've soldered the pipe too close to the fittings, so you're not supposed to solder a fitting closer than 12 inches to a tank. The TMP drain line, the TMP valve, it should be insulated. There's a little bit of insulation on it. Just a little bit. It should be insulated. This says, I'll get back with you on this, but it says that it was installed in 2017, so it'd be like 3 years old, and that might be important to us when we talking about the roof, okay, and the flue cap, which wasn't replaced. We didn't replace that, so all that should have been replaced. The water supply lines, even though they soldered too close, it's supposed to be insulated, just like that guy's supposed to be insulated. And we do not know where he drains to either. Didn't see him coming out outside. So, judging from the age of the house, I'm kind of expecting, I'm going to be surprised if it doesn't drain into the crawl space, to be honest. Again, the water lines should be insulated. We don't have much surface space. This is our combustible air is coming from the living space. No P-trap electronic ignition. It's 50 gallons. It's a Bradford White. There's the data plate right there. So that's the water heater.